Alright. Okay, this is the first time I've ever done this. I'm opening up the knife, the Mad Max tracker that Rob Phillips made for me. While I'm opening it, I'll explain. I saw Rob's knife that he was sending around the world, and had been looking into different knives like the Tom Brown tracker and other wilderness survival knives, and they looked interesting, but they were a little bit small after doing a little bit of research, and I wanted something that wasn't 9 or 10 inches, but I also wanted something that was large enough to be able to functionally use as a wilderness survival knife. So I've worked with Rob for quite some time on this. We can pack this thing pretty good. And I'm pleased to say it took about 2 weeks to get here to Tennessee, USA. Let's see here. Rob says, "G'day Rick. Happy belated birthday note. Sorry it's late, but better late than never. Stay safe. My friend Rob." So here is the packaging. Let's see what we have here. Looks like, oh my goodness, let's see here. This will be the knife, and this is going to be the sheath that he made to go with it. If my arm looks like it's a little stiff, that's because it is. I've had a frozen shoulder for the last 2 months that I'm working on getting fixed. And this is coming. Okay. Here's the sheath that he showed us in his videos. And here's the second part of the sheath that he also showed us. Well, that's really nice, with the built-in compass and everything. Of course, I have my own standard compass I'll use, but that can always come in handy. It's got a tender box here, as he showed, for putting stuff in, and he's got some wrap cord in there. And we also have what I asked him to build was a knife carrier for this case knife. Let's see how it fits. And that fits perfect. It fits in just like that. And if I choose to put a different knife in there, like this self-opening walking blade knife, I can also carry it as well. See if it fits in there. And it looks like that would fit as well. Well, maybe not. That may not fit so well, but that's okay. I wonder if it goes in the other way. Let's try the other way. I like the flexibility of there. I bet you that'll work. Alright, so you got that. That may not work. That's okay. Alright. But at least it's another way of storing something. I've also got a Swiss knife here I can put in there and then add whatever I want in there. So I can use that one, or I can take my trapper knife and stick it in there as well, with little things. So that's a nice pocket. It gives me a lot of flexibility. It's got a place for the steel, flint steel. It's got a holder here, as you can see. This will go on this knife here, as he showed us. It's got a holder here for the belt loop, or you can have an extension. So let's take a look at what we have here. This goes like this and goes around like that, as he showed us. There we go. As you can see, that fits there like that. Now for the main item. Let's see what we got. Here's the handle up here. Like so. Yep. Here's the knife here, and he is right, that is pretty sharp. Alright, this has the finger rest holder for shaving, a bark remover there, and the main cutting and chopping blade up there. So we can Mad Max. That is nice. That's good. That is not too huge. See, a normal Bowie would be quite large, as opposed to a knife like the following. This is a United States Air Force survival knife that they give pilots. You can see the difference in size, which is fine for the pilot for what he's doing, but it gives you no ability to have some